Greetings to all the listeners of the Lighthouse 182.5 audio series. Today, let's explore into the history of the Kashyapa Prajapati lineage. Kardama Prajapati gave his daughter Kala in marriage to the great sage Marichi, leading to the birth of Kashyapa. After Kashyapa completed his initiation rites, Daksha Prajapati married his daughters Aditi, Diti, Danu, Kala, Anayu, Simhika, Muni, Kapila, Krodha, Prata, Krura, Vinata, and Kadru to him. Over time, Aditi bore the 12 Adityas. Diti gave birth to Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu. Danu's offsprings were the Danavas, Kala bore Vinashana, and six others. Anayu gave birth to Bali and four others. Simhika's womb bore Rahu, the Rahu Graha. Muni's sons included Bhimasena and Ugrasena, the Gandharvas. Kapila gave birth to Amrita, cows, Brahmins, and Apsarasas like Ghritachi and Menaka. Krodha's descendants were the Krodhavashas. Prata's children were Siddhas. Krura had three sons. Vinata gave birth to Aruna and Garutmanta. Kadru bore Shesha, Vasuki, Takshaka, Karkotaka, Dhananjaya, Kaliya, and many other serpents. These beings are considered the bodily manifestations of Prajapati, signifying that the characteristics in creation gained from through Kashyapa Prajapati. Garutmanta, with his unparalleled strength and valor, defeated Indra and brought Amrita, securing his mother Kadru's freedom from servitude. Parshurama, to eradicate Kshatriyas, circled the earth 21 times. For the absolution of sins, he conducted the Ashwamedha Yajna and donated all the land to sage Kashyapa, earning the land the name Kashyapi. Consequently, royal dynasties thrived on earth. Lord Vishnu incarnated as Vamana, the son of Aditi and Kashyapa. Through the lineage of Kashyapa Prajapati, numerous powers and beings emerged in creation as described in our ancient scriptures. This illustrates the orderly process of creation as mentioned in our Puranas. Thank you for listening to Lighthouse 182.5 audio series. We'll come back with another interesting topic soon.